Running compliance assessments against multiple AWS infrastructures can be pretty difficult because you have to hop across different screens, across different AWS accounts, regions, and so that can be quite difficult. And also identifying the scope of what's exactly in the application. You know, a lot of tools that do these types of compliance assessments, they don't know exactly where the boundary of your application is. And this is a perfect use case to highlight the awesomeness of the Cloudaware CMDB MCP interface. If you are doing cloud security posture management, if you're doing cloud security compliance, whether it's for SOC2, PCI, HIPAA, it doesn't matter. Check out this video. So here's what we're doing in this case. Number one is Cloudaware CMDB has all of our AWS infrastructure preloaded. That's number one. Number two, every single asset is already, every single key, credential, IAM policy, IAM user is essentially already mapped to an application. So when I say, give me a SOC2 assessment, here I said like, okay, I have this Paylink settlement app. Then essentially it knows exactly what objects are in scope and what objects are not in scope. So we're not evaluating anything. So, and then within a single MCP query, I say, okay, give me I said, here is my prompt. I said, pick a sample application, evaluate how well its key and credential policy measures up against SOC 2 requirements. And here we can see exactly what the finding is, you know, our exposure, what the SOC 2 criterion is, what the current status is. Looks pretty bad, which is okay because this is a sample app and it's actually not a subject for SOC 2 requirements, but regardless. So doing this by hand obviously is an absolute nightmare. But then even if you buy a tool like Vanta, Wiz, anything else, you still need to, first of all, costs a lot of money. Number one. Number two, you are going to go insane defining what the boundary is for this application. Cloudaware solves this all, solves this for you. It knows the boundary, it knows for every asset who it belongs to, and then you don't pay anything for the asset. You should not be paying for the assessment because any modern AI, essentially, this is Opus 5, knows exactly what the requirements are. And, if you want to really kind of nerd out, you can give it like a SOC 2 skill file and that's it. But by all means, do not pay for this capability. It's already included with your AI agent. Just connect the Cloudaware MCP to whatever your AI assistant is, and you'll get the answers in 15 minutes instead of, I don't know, 2 years. Thanks, guys.